Happy birthday, Merly. Savor life's true joy to the fullest.
Hello Merly, happy birthday. Sorry I couldn't make it tonight at your 60th birthday celebration because it is also my youngest daughter's wedding here in Baguio. I hope you'll enjoy the moment and wishing you more on the next chapter of your life. God bless.
Happy birthday, Merly. Congratulations on reaching this incredible milestone. Wishing you all the best on your 60th birthday. Enjoy!
Hi, Merly. Happy 60th birthday. More blessings to come. Happy birthday.
Hi, Merly. Alam natin na ikaw ay super lakas na kay Lord dahil talagang naglalaan ka ng panahon para magsilbi sa Kanya at sa Kanyang simbahan. But allow me to be one of your prayer warriors who is praying and hoping that God gives you a longer life and a peaceful existence here on earth so that you can be of more service to the church and to our fellow men. Happy 60th birthday, Merly. Enjoy your day.
Hi, classmate Merly, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Sis Merly. Wish you all the best, good health, peace of mind, and happiness in life. Sana magtagal pa friendship natin. You're like a sister to me. Kasi grade 4 pa lang magkaibigan na tayo, di ba? Again, happy birthday, sis. Love you.
Okay. Hi, Merly. Happy birthday. 60 ka na rin. So, sabi mo nga, life is short, kaya whatever life throws into you, chill lang, di ba? Enjoy your day and God bless. Stay healthy and happy all the time.
Hello, Sister Merly. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay more blessings and good health. I'm always here for you. Just chat me. Bye-bye. Love you.
A wonderful and happy birthday, Merly. Wish you good health, long life, and happiness always. God bless you. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday.
Hi, Merly. Happy 60th birthday. I'm happy for you having a good family, tapos ang talino ng mga anak mo, and then soon to be, magiging lola ka na. Happy birthday. Pasensya ka na hindi ako makarating. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Merly. I wish you a happy family, especially with the addition of your first apo this August, and good health with God's grace. Thank you for the friendship through the years, classmate. More power to your advocacies, especially the Tahanang Mapagpala, which is close to my heart. Have a great day.
Happy 60th birthday, Liberata, aka Merly. It's a blessing na na-reach mo na yung ganyang age. Alam naman natin yung iba hindi na reach yung ganyang age. Meaning, mayroon ka pang mission sa buhay. Kailangan mo pang maramdaman ang pagiging mamila. Katulad ko, mamila of twins. I hope someday na maalagaan mo ang iyong mga apo. I just wish you the very best for your birthday. More blessings. More years of happiness to your family. Happy birthday ulit, Merly.
Happiest birthday, dear Sis Merlin. Enjoy all the benefits. Take care. God bless. I love you. Happy birthday, Merly. Enjoy. Okay.